Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'll be showing you how to draw a grizzly bear roaring. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our grizzly bear, let's begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to begin by making a line. It's just going to kind of come down, and it's going to curve back. Next, I'm just going to make a small circle shape right here for the eye. Then I'm going to make a little curve shape underneath the eye. I want to make a small circle in there for the pupil, and then just kind of color in most of it, leaving a tiny bit white. Next, I'm going to make the eyebrow. I'm going to make this kind of pointed line that kind of curves up and down. Then I'm just going to make a little line over to here. For the nose, I'm going to kind of curve a line that's going to come up and down. And then I'm just going to kind of make this circle shape, and I'm going to color in most of it. I'm going to make another little curve here. Next, starting here, I'm going to bring this line down. Then I'm going to kind of curve this line down a little bit, leaving a little break in there. And I'm going to bring this line down here. Next, I'm going to make this little line. It's just going to kind of come over to here. And then we're going to bring this down. And I know it looks a little strange here, but it's because those grizzly bears kind of curl up their lip when they growl. Next, I'm going to make this line come down, and I'm going to put a couple little bumps on it. I'm going to make a big sharp tooth here, and then some smaller ones right next to it. Then I'm going to make another big sharp tooth right here. Now, starting here, I'm going to make another pointed tooth. I'm going to make a little line across and then put some more of those small teeth here. Then we're going to make another large tooth coming out there. I'm going to bring this line down, and then I'm going to curve this line out. We're going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve around and come up to here. Then for the tongue, I'm going to bring a line down and then another line down. We're going to bring this down, and we're going to bring this up a little bit. And then we're going to make this line come down to connect. Then we're going to draw a couple little lines right in here. Next, starting here, I'm going to make kind of like a pointed line that's going to curve up. And a couple little broken lines around the mouth. Then starting here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of come down, and then we're going to make some broken pointed lines that kind of come up. I'm going to make another line that's going to come up here for the eyebrow. And then we're just going to bring this around for like part of the head. Make a little broken line here for the nose. And another little broken line here. For the ear, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up, put a couple points, and then curve it down. Make a few points and bring it around here. I'm going to bring this line over for the head, and we'll put a little bump here for that other ear. Next, we're going to make this line come down and then kind of up for the neck. And we'll bring a line down here, making it kind of pointed. We're going to make a big line that's going to kind of come up, and then we're going to bring it down for like the shoulder of our bear. And then we're just going to bring this down to here and kind of curve it over. I'm going to make some long claws right here. We're going to do 1, 2, and then 3 for our bear. We're going to make this line kind of come up and over. And then we're going to bring this up to here. I want to make this line come down, and then we're going to make another leg that's going to come down here. I want to make some more claws come out here this way. Next, I'm going to make some more kind of broken lines here. Then I'm going to make some lines that are just going to kind of come down to here. And we're going to bring them down. I want to make a nice big curvy line up here. Then we're going to draw a line that's going to come down, make a couple lines over, and then we're going to put some more of those big sharp claws on our bear. We'll do 4 claws back here. Then we're going to bring this line up. Then I'm going to make one more leg that's going to come down to here and over. Or we're just going to put a couple claws on here. And then we're going to bring this line up for that 4th leg. Now we just want to come in here and add like some extra little lines around here. I like to make these kind of like around wherever I have a curve. And you can just do like these little extra lines. Or you can even make these longer kind of like lightning bolt lines. And this just kind of helps make our grizzly bear look a lot furrier. And we're going to definitely add fur with the coloring, but you can just kind of add some of these extra little lines on here. And just kind of gives it a little bit more detail in some different spots. And there you go. There is your drawing of a grizzly bear. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.